In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Gate.io to bank account. So let's get started. First, open the Gate.io app on your mobile device. Head over into the assets section by clicking on that assets button at the bottom right of your screen. Click on that withdraw button, which you'll find beside the deposit button to be able to withdraw your funds. Select the coin that you want to convert into your currency to be able to withdraw that. So I'll just go ahead and select USDT. Now in here, go ahead and select fiat withdrawal to be able to withdraw your coin into a currency that you prefer to withdraw that. Now in here, what you'll need to do is to just go ahead and enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to sell into US dollars, and make sure that you have actually set up your debit or credit card into this account. So after you have actually entered the amount of cryptocurrency that you want to sell, just go ahead and click on that sell USDT button, and you'll be able to receive the amount of US dollars that you can get from that amount of cryptocurrency. And that is how you can basically withdraw money from Gate.io to your bank account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.